Hello, this is Ralph Kubek of eWorkplace Apps. We are pleased to announce that with the release of 24R1, we will add vendor rating capability to the core QMS offering. Before we look at the solution, let us talk about the reasons and benefits of vendor rating. Rather than start with ERP, after all that's work, let's imagine we're a food critic. Our job is to visit restaurants and evaluate their dishes. Not to be overly dramatic, but careers, restaurants succeed or fail based upon the results of these reviews. How did the food taste? How long did we have to wait? How was it presented? What was the cost? Was it worth it? Firms that buy materials, be it a distributor or a manufacturer, should be doing the same thing regarding how they evaluate their vendors. Was the price right? Was it received on time? Was it of the right quality? The vendor performance rating solution will allow you to rate each vendor, item combination based upon your goals and objectives. The ratings and related rankings will be based upon quality, price, and delivery performance, both on time as well as quantity. Just like you pick a restaurant based upon how you rate it, you will now be able to make buying decisions based upon the actual results documented in Acumatica. Along with helping making buying decisions, the solution will provide you information, facts, that will allow you to better communicate and collaborate with your vendors. There are many benefits to having a formal vendor rating system. It improves business outcomes and decision making. It saves money and improves vendor relationships. As well, it helps you mitigate risk, improve operations, and overall quality. Let's look at the product. While not where I was going to start, I see a menu choice for top 5 vendors. Let's go there. This is a very simple view we have created and is just an example of the data information that will be available to you while you are using this feature. Now, let's look at the setup control screens related to vendor performance. It starts with the criteria we will use. Today, we consider price, quality, quantity shipped, and on-time delivery. Just like you evaluate a restaurant based upon your values, here you indicate how you value each of these criteria. The total needs to be 100%. These will be set by you, and today I've decided to reprioritize some of these elements. Next, we need to move to rating score criteria. Here, you will be able to denote the effect of being less than perfect will have on your score. As an example, if the variation for pricing is between 1 and 20, they will only earn 80% of the value you have attributed to price. If the variation is greater than 70%, they will only earn 10% of the value you've attributed to price. You will do this for each criteria. Next, let us move to evaluate vendor performance. Here, I can see vendors related to blueberries for a defined period of time. Now, let's move to inventory and look at blueberries. Here, I could see the vendor rating details. This is based upon the last time evaluation was performed. In the final version for 24R1, we will allow the data to be reevaluated from this screen. Now, let us move to the vendor screen. Here, you will see their ratings for the items that they provide. This will be based upon the last valuation that was done for each item. While what we just showed adds value to the Acumatica solution, we know that we have just started down the path of providing a robust vendor performance solution within Acumatica. We will be adding more criteria, such as lead time, inventory accuracy, support. We know the user will want to access this information when requesting a quote or creating a purchase order. Also, as item class is a key grouping within Acumatica, we need to allow for the evaluation to be done at that level. We will be reviewing how we could support non-stocked items and continue to improve the dashboards and generic inquiries we deliver. That said, dashboards and inquiries are unique to a user. So this is an area where you and your partner will take what we have created to the next level for your organization. Lastly, we want to allow, support manual scoring. We hope you are as excited to see these features come to Acumatica as we are to deliver them. For additional information, reach out to your partner or visit our marketplace listing. Thank you for your time and attention. Be safe and well.